Let me ask you something. Has your phone been acting strange lately? Maybe the battery drains too fast, or it heats up even when you're not using it. Well, those could be signs that someone is spying on your Android phone. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll show you the top signs to watch out and how you can stop it before it's too late. So let's get started. First up, your battery drains faster than normal. Sure, batteries wear out over time, but if your phone suddenly starts dying quickly for no reason, it could mean hidden spyware apps are secretly running in the background. Second sign, your phone overheats for no reason. If you're just texting or scrolling, but your device feels hot to the touch, that's suspicious. Spy apps are constantly working behind the scenes, and that heat is your clue. Third, weird texts or notifications. Getting random messages with codes, symbols, or sketchy links, do not click them. That's one way hackers try to slip spyware onto your phone. Fourth sign, strange noises during calls. If you hear static, clicking, or echoes while talking, that could mean your calls are being tapped. Creepy, I know, but it happens. And number 5, data or storage disappearing fast. If your data plan is suddenly draining or your storage is filing up without you downloading anything, it could be spyware secretly sending out your info. Alright? So how do you stop it? Check my other video in the link provided in the description below. Remember, your phone is your private space. Don't let anyone sneak in and steal your peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and share this with a friend who might need it. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.